Okay, so hello everyone. I am here with my new video that is all about tuples, and probably I'm going to cover many functions or many things related to tuples in the part 1 video, and thereafter remaining things in part 2 video. So first of all, before I start, obviously this is part 1, so you should know the introduction or basic things about tuples. So tuples refers to the collection of object in the Python which are like in order, in you cannot change actually. That is, they are immutable actually. And like obviously you can store duplicates, that is one of the features. Then you can have different data types of objects in the tuples. Okay, then obviously here also we have the concept of indexing and slicing. So index will be playing a main role in tuples. Then it has positive index, negative index, and for tuples we use the round bracket actually. So first of all, we will start with the simple example. Okay, and suppose if I write a is equal to round bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, only some numbers like this. And then if I write only print, and if I write only a, and then I'm getting the output. But how to check it is or tuples only? So I will write print and I will write type, and we will check it is of which type. So you all can see it is showing class tuple. And one more thing, why should we go for a tuple data structure in Python? Because suppose that you have something which is not going to change over the period. Like if it is fixed, because as I said, it is a immutable. You cannot change. So for example, we know like our calendar, weekdays, months, years, all are fixed things. Okay. So obviously it is not possible to change those things. So there you can use tuples. And suppose if you don't give any bracket, and if you write a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, and then I will press enter, and if I write print, and if I write a, so again you all can see it is showing output in the round bracket only. That is also in the tuples form. So print and type of a, if I write, so it is showing what? Class tuple. Second thing, it can store different elements also. Like if I write a is equal to, and if I write for example like 1 comma a, something like this, comma 1.4, something like this, and I will close the bracket. Okay, and then if I write print, and if I write a, so you all can see it is showing me the correct output. And suppose you have a tuple, and if you try to access particular element, like in this example we have a 3 elements, and if you check the type of, not a, but if you check the type of a of 0, okay, then obviously it will show you it is of which type. And if a tuple consists of only single value, like if a tuple has only one object, then object should end with the comma separator. Otherwise, Python internally will consider it as what? Tuples. Using tuples function, that means, for example, if I have a is equal to, and now list because of the square bracket. Okay, and if I write b is equal to, and if I write tuple function, so tuple and bracket, and I will write a. Okay, so it will convert a into tuple, and it will get stored in the variable, or you can say object, actually object b. And if I print b, you all can see I'm getting the answer as a round bracket, and that is also 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now there are different ways you can access the tuples. Like for example, if I write a is equal to, and if I write 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50, like only 5 elements like this. Okay, and then if I write print, and if I write a of 0. Okay, I am writing a of 0. It is showing me 10. That is obviously at index number 0. Same way, if I write print a of -1. Okay, so it is showing me the last element, that is 50. Same way, we can use the slicing operation on tuples also. So for example, we'll take the same input. Actually we will take consider same input, and if I write, suppose for example, print and a, and you are interested in slicing from 2 colon 4 and something like this, so it will print only index number 2 and index number 3. Okay, because 4 obviously we know it will be always n minus 1. And same way, if I print and if I write a, and instead of that no start no end and step count of 2. Okay, so it will print 10, 30 and 50 because it is a step count of 2. So it will start from 10, then 30 and then 50. You can also like use a for loop also to print each and every element. So again, I will use the same element only. Not I'm not going to change because right now we are learning actually. So for I in, and we have used variable a for tuples, and then I will write print and I will write I. So it is showing me 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. The next is tuples are immutable. So suppose if I write a is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30, something like this, only three elements. Okay, and if I try to change a of 1 equal to 70 or whatever, any one number, so it will show me an error that it is not possible because obviously tuples are immutable. Okay, the next thing is like here also we can use the mathematical operators like plus sign and multiplication sign. Suppose a is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 is there. Okay, then b is equal to we have 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, and then if I directly write print and if I write a, then plus sign and b, so you can see it will concatenate or it will join two string if we use the plus operator. And same way like a is equal to we have 1 comma 2 comma 3, suppose something like this, and b is equal to one value I am writing, for example 3 or something like that. Otherwise we can write directly also, but suppose if I write something like this and if I write print a into and b. Okay, so you can say 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, it will be like three times. So that is all about, you can say that the basic things related to tuples. In my next video I am going to cover all the important methods of tuples like length function, count function, minimum function, maximum function, index also as a function, then sorted function also. Okay, so thank you everyone.